Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. again. And today I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube Premiere feature of when you upload a video to YouTube and you want to set it to premiere at a certain day and time. So uh, I've obviously been seeing that a lot more often now with YouTubers where they're setting things even a week or two in advance of when the videos is going to actually premiere or their live stream is actually going to premiere. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a video that you're actually going to a video that you're going to upload. So right now, obviously, we're just at the main YouTube.com screen and the dashboard, and we're going to click on the camera icon and where it says create a video or post, and I'm going to upload my latest video. Besides which will not be, which this one will come right after. And we go to upload video, and then from there, right in here where it says public, which is the default, we go to you click that and then go to scheduled. So let's click scheduled, and then from there we're going to upload the video, whatever video we have in mind. This one is the one I'm doing, which I'm just dragging in there. Everything else is set to my defaults on what I want them, of how I want them to be. So we're all good there. And so obviously I'm just going to fill all this in later. But so this is how to, now what we're going to do is we're going to make it a premiere. And so what's really cool with the premiere is you can watch it with the, I mean, it says it right here, but you can watch the premiere live with your fans or with your subscribers, or anybody that just sees the video, at the specific time that it's coming out. So you can, everybody can live chat in there. They can do the super chat and so forth. So what I'm going to do for this one is, since it's 4:22 p.m. where I'm at, I'm going to make it scheduled for December, which is do it today, December 15th. And I'm going to make it for it's 4:22. So give myself some time here. I'll do it for 4:45 p.m. and then that's it. So that's my local time. You can go into there and change whatever you want. So obviously wherever you are, if you see that it is incorrect, and I'm just going to hit whatever GMT New York. So I know 100. So I know for 100% that that the time is correct for me. So it'll say 4:45 p.m. for me, but it'll say what if you're on the East Coast, it would say 1:45. So other than just filling in the details here and so forth, I would just click, once that's done, I'll just click publish and so forth. And then you just wait till till that specific time that you set, which is 4:45 December 15th for me. And then everything will be, it'll be sort of like a live video. It's just going to obviously be the video that you uploaded, but with the live chat and with the super chat available to your subscribers as well. So very simple, very easy to use. I think this is one pretty cool thing that they did actually add to YouTube in the past year or so. Yeah, that's really it. Very simple. I would just click premiere on Saturday, December 15th, 2018, and I would be done. So I hope that was simple enough. And so you'll see this video um, before this one, obviously. So, all right, that's all I got. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later.